Let me show you how to design a wedding invitation in Photoshop. Start by creating a new file, size 21 by 32 centimeters. When you finish, press Create. First, select the Rectangle tool and let's draw a rectangle. Just follow along. Pick any fill color you like and set the stroke color to None. Now, hold Alt and drag to make a copy. Hold Shift while dragging to keep it perfectly aligned. Hold Alt and drag to make a copy. Hold Shift and select all of these rectangle layers like this. Now again, hold Alt and drag to the left side to duplicate these 3 rectangles. Drag them down. Just follow along. Now again, hold Alt and drag to the left side to duplicate these 3 rectangles. Drag them down. Right-click here and choose this rectangle, then hold Alt and drag it upward to make a copy. This will let us fill the upper part. Select the top layer, then hold Shift and select the first rectangle layer. Now group them together. Let's rename the group and set a label color for it. Zoom out by pressing Ctrl-, then press Ctrl-T, hold Shift and rotate it to 45 degrees. Hold Shift and scale it like this. When you finish, press Enter. Right-click here and choose this rectangle. Drag this image into Photoshop. You'll find the download link in the description below. Follow along these steps. Click right here at the top of the Layers panel, then choose Create Clipping Mask. Adjust the image position until it fits properly. Right-click here and choose this rectangle. Drag this image into Photoshop. You'll find the download link in the description below. Rotate it while holding the Shift button. Here's another way to create a clipping mask. Hold Alt and click right here. Let's do the same thing for the rest of the images. Just follow the same steps. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below and I'll reply as soon as possible. Press Ctrl-T and let's scale it while holding the Shift button. I'll speed things up for these images. Keep watching as we finish the design and add the text. If you have any questions, write them below and I will reply to you as soon as possible. For this rectangle, we don't need it. Let's hide this layer because we'll be adding the text right here. For this last rectangle, let's just change its color to this light brown from the image. Choose the background layer. Go to Adjustment Layer and choose Gradient. Follow these steps to achieve the same look. I will choose this color. When you finish, press OK. And for the second color, I will choose the white color and make sure you have the opacity set to 100%. Follow this process. When you finish, press OK. Now let's add some flowers to the background. You can download the images from the link in the description below. Follow along these steps. Press Ctrl-T and let's scale it while holding the Shift button. Change the blending mode to luminosity and reduce the fill. As a final step, select the Type tool and write your text. I've already done this, so let me show you the fonts I used. All the fonts I used are linked in the description below. Write each word separately. Save, then the, then date. Use the same font size and settings. Follow these settings. If you have any questions, write them below, and I will reply to you as soon as possible. Hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. All the fonts I used are linked in the description below. Follow these steps to achieve the same look. That's it. Hope you liked it. You can download all the PSD files from my tutorials on Patreon page for a small fee. It's a great way to support the channel and get all the project files in one place. Check the link in the description. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tutorials. Also watch other tutorials in my channel.